In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up approval processes on Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and go to a new board. You can use a blank board or an existing one, but a new board makes it easier to see the changes clearly. Once you are on the board, look across your columns until you find a status column. This status column is the foundation for an approval process because it lets your team track where each item stands, from draft to review to final approval. Click directly into the status column header area to select it. Then click the status column again so you can access its settings. You may see the default status setup, often labeled something like Status 1. Click that area so you can begin editing it. Next, click into the status label area that is highlighted. You are going to type to rename the status column and make it match your workflow. Use a clear name that reflects approvals, such as approval status or review status. Clear naming helps everyone understand that this column is not just general progress, but specifically tied to an approval decision. After that, click the highlighted status label area again, and then choose Edit Labels. This opens the full list of status options, which is where you define the exact stages you want people to use. In the label editor, click into the highlighted text field and type the labels that fit your process. Keep labels short and action-based, so they are easy to scan on the board. Now, update the default labels. Click on the label named Working on it and rename it to a label that represents an approval stage, such as In Review. Then click on the label named Stuck and rename it to something that represents a decision point, such as Needs Changes or Rejected, depending on your process. Type your updated wording into the highlighted area so the label name is saved. Finally, click outside the label editor in a blank area of the board to confirm your changes and return to your normal board view. At this point, your status column is set up to support an approval process, with labels that clearly communicate where each item is in review. And that is all there is to it.